Your 7-inch keypad allows you to control all your Z-Wave devices. You can control lights, doors, thermostats, and appliances from the carousel menu. Tap Thermostat. Adjust the temperature with the available buttons and sliders. Tap Lights. Z-Wave lights can be turned on, off, or can be adjusted with the slider. Tap Doors. Tap Unlock or Lock for each available door. For garage doors, tap Open or Close. Tap Appliances. Z-Wave appliances can be turned on, off, or can be adjusted with the slider. Tap Favorites. Z-Wave favorites can be activated at the keypad. Tap Activate on the desired favorite. You can add, edit, or delete your favorites on Virtual Keypad. If you have any questions, contact us today.